Grew up on the countryside of town.
Alright, y'all, I just got this new oil pump in. I'll see if this joint fit. Well, I'm knowing the oil pump will fit, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna need the oil screen. I ordered it off Amazon, but it was taking too long to ship it. I ordered it like four or 5 days ago, and it never shipped, so I just canceled it. Worst case scenario, I'll just go get one from O'Reilly's. But I had to get the steel shaft as well because this is a high volume regular pressure oil pump. And I got the gasket, so I'm gonna go pull the other one off the truck and let's see how this shit go. Alright, let's see what we're working with. See, it don't look too crazy up under here. I'm about to pull this oil pump off. What else I was about to say? The oil pan was loose. Like every single bolt came out without me having to like really tug on anything. All of the bolts was like hand tight. So I don't know if that played a factor in this, but I already ordered the part, so I'm gonna just change everything anyway. So it should be good after I change this oil pump, man. You see the oil pickup. Hopefully I can reuse this. I don't know if it's gonna fit the new one. The new one is a 3/4 inch inlet, so I don't know. It's a good thing I bought that steel shaft, because as you can see the plastic on this shaft, you know, the plastic goes around this piece right here. It broke as I was taking it off, so got the new oil pump. That's for the gas. Steel, so it should be much better. Let me compare this real quick. Let's see. Sorry, y'all, I'm doing this on camera. I probably should have did this before, but I want y'all to see too. Okay, let me see. It look like about the damn. That one look a little bigger. Fuck. I'm gonna have to go buy it. Oh, I'm gonna clean this oil pan up just a little bit and get the parts for this and put this stuff back together. Alright, so I ended up going to O'Reilly's to get this this pickup tube for the 3/4 inch inlet, and I used a 3/4 wrench and a hammer to put it on. You know, they sell the tube, but it's like $7 to $8 at O'Reilly. So I just put that on there and I beat all around it. And people say they weld them to keep them from coming out. I really didn't want to do that because you got to take it apart and all that. So I just used some red Loctite. I mean, I don't know, the motor grenade, fuck it. I mean, this motor was never even supposed to be running anyway. I never expected it to, but I'm gonna put this on before this Loctite set so I can adjust the pickup tube level. Hopefully this goes all well. Alright, so I got the oil pan back on. That was a pain in the ass, but that's done. Got that old freeze plug out. That was also, it wasn't that bad. It's kind of a pain though. Got the new one put in. Now I already filled it with oil. As you can see, I got oil all over the place, but I got some new exhaust gaskets that I'm gonna put on. Then I can put this valve cover back on and put the belt and all this stuff back on. It should be good to go. Hopefully this oil pressure increases, but we'll see. Okay, y'all, so got everything back together. This is the moment of truth right now. I just filled it up with coolant. I already put oil. Just got the battery back from O'Reilly. I had them charging it overnight. It should fire up with good fuel pressure. That's the key. Let's hope we didn't do all of this for nothing. Oh yeah, the key. I just bought a new ignition switch, but right now the key is yeah. You gotta give it a look at. Oh wait. You gotta get this old school shit. A little gas. Still no oil pressure. Damn. Did all that for nothing. Did all of that for nothing. Damn, man. Of course, it shot up as soon as I turned the camera off. I guess because it was dry and I didn't feel that, I didn't feel it with oil. Yeah, I guess it took that long to suck up some oil. That still seemed kind of low to me though. See that oil burning off of the exhaust manifold. I don't know. It's a high volume pump. Hopefully over time it pick up. I don't know, man. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so as y'all can see, the oil pressure, well, I don't know if I showed y'all the last little bit, but the oil pressure had dropped down again. It kept smoking. So it got to be a bigger issue. I'm not even gonna mess with this motor no more. I really wasn't even supposed to spend this much money on it. It's not a lot, but I should have just scrapped it anyway. I'm gonna probably go with a 350 and then use all the accessories that I already have on there, just to get it running quick. I should have did it in the first place, but you know, I'd be lying if I say I wasn't disappointed, but at the same time, I never expected this motor to even work in the first place, so I ain't too disappointed. But I wasted a whole 2 days of working on this truck for nothing, with no return, so I don't know. I got some other stuff that I gotta do. I gotta fix the door pins. I'm still waiting on the bushings to come in from Cunningham machine. I gotta put a new door handle. I gotta change the ignition switch and the door locks. But I don't know. That's it for this one, man. It's some bullshit.
Jam run that bread, I don't give a